everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. As usual, I am having a gala time in my life. So today when I was recording this video, I had this thing in my mind that I have been busy the whole day and again I could not come up with any new content. And I was thinking, what is it I'm going to do today and what is this new excuse which I'm going to give that I don't have content or I didn't give time to make some content. So I just thought, let me share my experience to you about how my whole day has been and is there anything which I learned out of this day. So yesterday I as mentioned to you guys that I'm having this neck pain and it's not letting me work and it's kind of getting irritating for me to function because of that neck pain. Now what I did was, today when I got up in the morning, I went to my physiotherapist. He was nice enough to listen to me for almost half an hour. Yes, I did talk to him. No, I was not giving an interview, but I had to mention him every nitty-gritty, every small detail about what is happening, how did this happen, and why is it happening to me when I'm eating healthy, when I'm sleeping on time, when I'm following all the healthy habits and all the check boxes are ticked. And his simple answer was, Krishna, it could happen to anyone, so it happened to you also. And sometimes it doesn't happen to even people who are not following those healthy habits and all. So it's entirely something which is cannot be planned. I mean, which can happen to anybody for that matter. So it happened to me also. That way he just told me to take precautions, don't do exercise, don't do much of the exercise for a few more days and you will be all fine and set. I said okay, and then he put on this KT tape here, which is something fancy. I mean, I always had in my mind like somebody should put that KT tape on me, which athletes keep putting on their backs or wherever they are having pain, and it's kind of nice and all. So I thought it's going to be a style statement or something, but it's not kind of visible or anything. So yeah, I came back from there and by the evening, so in between I had to do my grocery shopping and then I came back in the evening, and now when I was back, the light outside was gone, completely gone. And today I had not even the opportunity to even record in a way that I recorded yesterday. And I saw the video yesterday actually after recording and after putting it online that the condition of the video is not that great. I mean, nobody can see me easily, nobody can watch and what is happening in the video. So I just thought today, let me record myself on this clean background where my shadow is visible because I've got one light for myself today and I'm recording myself in a light. So it's not the natural light which used to come from outside, but it's artificial light, and in that light I can basically talk to you about my experiences and what is happening. So my experience of the day is, I feel in last 3-4 days, again something which we all know. Trust me, we all know about this, that health is wealth. But how many of us give that much of importance to it? I mean, in my case, when I have to talk about how it happened, like I do take care of my health, as I said before, like I follow the healthy lifestyle and everything. I tick all the check boxes which I have to follow a healthy lifestyle, but still things can happen. But still, these things, when it happens, it kind of irritates you, it puts you out of your flow, the kind of work you were doing, and all of a sudden you start getting irritated about it. So one thing which I again learned or again got reaffirmed in my life is health is wealth, because when you're not feeling healthy, you don't feel like doing anything else for that matter. And I mean, if I talk about my experience in particular, that I'm a workaholic, I like to work at times, and in that scenario when I'm working a lot, sometimes I end up negating with my health, which should not be happening, and I try to make sure consciously that that should not happen, but at times it does happen, or at times it's just meant to happen even if you are taking care of it. So health is wealth. I mean, I was not able to sleep properly. At least yesterday I had a good night's sleep, and today I am in full mood to talk to you guys as much as possible. My battery is blinking there, that is gonna turn off any point of time in between while I'm recording this video, but I'm like okay, and I'm just checking it out just to stay, and I've got a lot to talk to you about in terms of my experience. So as coming back to health is wealth, we all know about it, but nobody follows it, nobody accepts the fact, nobody actually imbibe it in their life that okay, how important the health is. We keep ignoring all these things. I mean, think about it. If you're not able to sleep for 3-4 days, and if you are working on your things and maybe something more than that, and if your health is deteriorating, what is the sense of doing that thing? Just take it, just have some patience, relax, get fine. So as I told you guys that my battery is already blinking and it's about to get it got over, then I had to change my battery, and I was talking about how important health is, and what we need to understand is, जानते हम सब है यार, मानते नहीं हैं। बस इतनी बार हम ये सब चीज़ें जानते हैं कि हमारी जब भी हेल्थ ख़राब होती है, वी से लाइक वर्क हम बाद में कर लेंगे, कमिटमेंट्स हम बाद में फुलफिल कर लेंगे, एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी एंड अप नेगेटिंग आवर हेल्थ नो मैटर वॉट. But health should be taken care of as a first priority. What I was thinking when I was processing it, like my mental health is good. I know, okay, my emotional health is good, my spiritual health is good, but my mind, my mental health, my spiritual health, my emotional health, all is residing in this body. And this body is your temple and you need to take care of it. I again realized it. I am realizing it since a long time and I am trying to follow as much as I can. But again, it came in my life as a moment where I was having a lot of neck pain. It was not normal, but again, it reaffirmed the same thing when I was lying down in the bed and was not able to sleep, that how important health is. Because if your health is gone, everything is gone. If your health is there, you can get everything back. That's not a problem at all. So always keep in mind that have your healthy lifestyle, healthy thoughts, healthy mindset, mental health, spiritual health, physical health, emotional health, all kind of health are important. They are all interlinked, but you have to understand what is the physical manifestation of something which is visible in your life is your body. And your body needs to be in I'm not saying shape, I'm saying your body needs to be healthy so that your healthy mind can reside in a healthy body, your healthy emotions can reside in that healthy body, and your healthy spiritual health can reside in that healthy body. And that's all I just understood with this experience of mine in the last 4-5 days again, and it got reaffirmed that health is of paramount importance, and without it, nothing can happen. So today I'm glad that my pain has reduced a lot compared to what it was yesterday. I was getting a lot irritated. So that was my one experience for today. The second experience I had having a word with one of my friend, an old school friend of mine, and we were having a couple of discussion in terms of what can be done and how things can be processed in this kind of environment, which is right now because of the COVID situation. Millions and millions of people have lost their job. The revenue has reduced, the whole economy is going down in a way. So what can be done? I was just having some discussion which I'm not going to get into much, but the basic idea of the whole thing is, see, we are supposed to take actions, and I just gave him the example of my videos which I'm making right now, is that it is necessary to do something. Do it, come to know about it, work on it, correct it, and in the process only we will be able to figure out what is it we want. Because right now, until now, after 5-6 days, 7 days or whatever, I don't know what kind of content I want to make, but this is the content I'm making, this is what my feeling are, and I'm gonna be up there and gonna do something about it, as I did for my lights also. Yesterday light wasn't there, today I managed to have a light for myself, managed to have lights for myself so that I can record my video even if there is no light. So there would be no excuse in terms of that, because the sunlight went down, and because of it I am not able to record my video. So that's one. And so now I'm recording in this light and I can see a bit of shadow here. So let's see if I'm able to remove the shadow in my next video or not. Until I catch up with you guys in my next video, I wish you a very good night, and मौज करते रहो यार। और अगर मौका पड़ता है तो शेयर, लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, घंटी वाला बटन, कमेंट सब कर देना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ इन ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ योर लाइफ, वेदर मेंटल, फिजिकल, इमोशनल, स्पिरिचुअल एंड व्हाटएवर, बिकॉज हेल्थ इज एक्चुअली वेल्थ. Nothing can compare with your health, because if you have it, you have it. If you don't, it's a lot of problem, it's a lot of pain, it's lots of irritation, it's kind of torture. So with that, I'm gonna say you all good night again, and bye bye.